Hi, and welcome back to Bite-Sized Features with Pocket Hearing. Today we're going to look at Dynamic Soundscape Processing. This is an advanced feature designed to enhance your listening experience by adapting to various environments and movements. It continuously analyzes your surroundings and adjusts settings to ensure optimal speech clarity and natural sound. Key aspects of dynamic soundscape processing include environmental adaptation, motion detection, and speech clarity and noise. The system evaluates the acoustic environment to balance speech intelligibility and ambient awareness, providing a natural listening experience. By incorporating motion sensors, the hearing aids detect when you're moving and adjust the sound processing accordingly. As you move, the system broadens the focus to include sounds from all directions, enhancing environmental awareness. At Pocket Hearing, we have the ability to connect your hearing aids remotely. That means we can perform more detailed fine-tuning via our teleaudiology service. This remote support is especially helpful if you notice a shift in your hearing needs or experience a change in your daily routines. Simply schedule a remote appointment and we can adjust any number of features such as dynamic soundscape processing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, visit our website or contact us directly. Look out for more bite-sized features from Pocket Hearing.